Hey, what's up guys? I am driving out in the desert right now, just getting finished up with a long day of work. Heading back into town right now, all loaded down. Ah, crap. I have such a bad habit of not wearing my seatbelt. A couple of you guys have called me out on that in the comments. I appreciate you looking out for me. Jen's always throwing her elbow into my ribs or clicking on my seatbelt, you know, trying to remind me, and it's a bad habit. I used to have the habit of putting my seatbelt on every single day, every single time I got in the car. I was the one that reminded everybody to put the seatbelt on, and I don't know, sometime in the last few years I've fallen out of that, and I don't know, kind of difficult. It's a good thing, gotta be safe, gotta keep yourself safe. So I am heading back into town right now. I have both of my brothers in town here. Caden came down from Provo 3 days ago. Chris came out from California 2 days ago. We did a big electrical project as a family, my dad and us three boys. It was really fun, pretty reminiscent. We haven't done a big project in a long time together, with all three of us together. So it was pretty neat. And today I had to work throughout the day today, and just getting done out here in the desert, heading back into town, and we are gonna go do a little bit of shooting and a little bit of mountain biking. It's gonna be Jen, my brothers, and myself, so tag along. This should be a really fun time. Alright, so like I said, a little bit later on in this afternoon, we are going to be going shooting. And I figured I would talk to you a little bit about what we are going to be shooting. So my brother has a brand new AR pistol that he just built out. And for that AR pistol, he has a 22 conversion kit for it. I've been looking into getting a 22 conversion kit for my AR for a really long time, but you know, good ones, they're a couple $100. So it's always been a difficult thing to wrap my head around, getting one of these things, not knowing how it's gonna work. So this will be his first time actually running ammunition through his 22 conversion kit or his AR pistol at all. He hasn't run any ammo through it at all. And yeah, so I'm pretty excited about that. And we also got some mountain bikes. Chris just bought a new mountain bike a few weeks ago, and he's been trying it out, and he came out here to southern Utah, aka mountain bike heaven, and so he wants to go ride in. Found a couple of bikes for my brother and I to borrow, so that'll be cool. And then Jen has her bike. I'm really excited about it. So right now, let's just warp on back to the house. Alright, I had to make a pit stop. On the way back into town, had to stop at the one, the only, the original Veyo Pies and Bakery. Oh yeah! So if you've ever been to St. George, Utah, or in this southern Utah area, or you're ever traveling through, Veyo Pies in Veyo, Utah is so good. I'm gonna get me a slice of pie, get my girl a slice of pie. Whew! Ain't nothing that makes a girl happier than a slice of pie. Got ourselves a slice of chocolate pie and a slice of blackberry pie. Woo! 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 Oh, hey girl. I'll beat a base in 20, and then I'll come straight over there after I'm done organizing over there.
Okay.
Miss you.
I love you, I miss you.
I love you too. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. Man, I cannot wait to eat these stinking pies. It's gonna be so good. Pie time. I'm about to destroy this pie. Veyo pie.
Ready for this? Ah.
How good is that?
Empty.
The rest of my family's gonna be pissed off when they watch this and they find out that we got pie, because I'm not gonna tell them when we go over there right now.
I'm gonna tell him.
What?
Uh-huh.
You're a jerk.
I know.
Going over to pick up some bicycles. We got Jen's bike back there right now. Got two more that we're picking up right now, and then we'll go over and pick up my brother's and some guns.
2 of them too.
And there's gonna be a lot of shooting and riding going on.
At the same time. Just kidding. Here we are. We got the 3 bicycles and we're going to get the 2 brothers and the other bicycle and the other truck. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I'm gonna take these guys out. I've never ridden bikes together and it should be fun.
We're doing a trail that'll take a little bit of time to do, and then down at the bottom, we'll try and get the drone up in the air and see if we can capture some cool stuff.
I'm excited. I love this trail. We're going to Bear Claw Poppy Trail. If you're in St. George, Utah, there's a lot of good riding.
We got the bikes loaded up back there. We got Jen, we got me. My brothers Chris and Kaden are in a truck behind us. We're gonna take 2 vehicles so that we can shuttle, so that we don't have to ride uphill. That sounds like it sucks.
Woo! Downhill only.
Oh yeah, we found the Pump Up Jams playlist. Let's see what's on this thing.
Ride bikes, ride bikes.
Ice on my wrist 'cause I'm hot and you got me. Listen, I want it too. I want it too. Stick up next to you. Stick up next to you. The show. I seen the Rollies, I need one of them. I seen them Grammys, I need one of them.
Just dropped off the first vehicle. Picked up the 2 dudes.
Yo, yo.
Oh yeah. And now we're gonna go have fun.
Do it.
Jen's ready. Jen's ready. You ready?
I'm ready. As ready as I can be.
So welcome to the acid drops. So a few routes you can go.
We came down this trail over here, and now Chris wants to do this one coming off the big rock. So we'll see if he dies. They didn't die. Sup dudes, next morning. I'm just embracing this whole weirdness. Looks like I stuck my finger in a light socket or something. It's the next morning. Yesterday, had a great time riding bikes. It was a ton of fun. Right now, just got Jen this morning, and we are going over to my house. Chris is still in town. Caden's not. Caden took off this morning early. Chris is still in town, and like I said yesterday, we are going shooting, and we are gonna try out this 22 conversion kit for the AR. So I'm excited to see how it functions, and I want to run it through my gun as well to see if I want to get one. That Tuesday night steel competition that's every week at our local shooting range that we shot at 2 weeks ago. You can shoot pistol caliber carbines or 22 long rifle. So if I run a 22 conversion in my AR, then I can run my AR at that competition. That would be kind of cool. So we're gonna go pick up the brother, the ARs, the pistols, and go do some shooting.
Shooting. Out in the desert. Woo! Romping around.
What does a man who drives off-road for a living do on his off time? Drives around in the desert. Can I get a whoop, whoop?
Whoop, whoop. Don't worry. I'm Jen, the mama hen. Here to protect and serve. Gotta guard my chickens from those coyotes. America. Homesteaded. People are gonna think we're a bunch of preppers soon if we keep it up.
Uh-huh. Alright guys, so like I said, we are out here to test out the CMMG 22 long rifle conversion kit for the AR-15. I have my AR right here set up with traditional 5.56 ammo, and so we'll shoot this and then we'll switch over to the conversion kit so that we can compare how they shoot. Okay, putting in 22 conversion. Super simple. Crack this guy. Pull the regular bolt, charging handle out. Put in the conversion charging handle and the conversion bolt. Done. Easy as pie. That's it. Alright, gun has been conversionified to the 22 long rifle, and so has like a full-size magazine with a smaller magazine inside of it. And so there's 20 rounds of 22. There's two types of 22 long rifle that we fired through this conversion kit. The cheaper ammo does not like to function, but this ammo has been functioning well in the AR pistol, and so now we'll try it in this. This is my AR rifle with the conversion kit in it. So 22 long rifle conversion kit. Let's try it out. Firing. That's awesome. See how it does rapid fire. This thing is awesome. We're out of ammo. That's awesome. Well, that was fun, testing out that 22 conversion kit. I really like that thing. Probably going to get one so that I can use that AR in the steel competitions, because you can't shoot rifle rounds in those steel competitions. But that's not the only toy that we had out here today. My brother has his 7.5 inch 5.56 AR pistol, and he hasn't shot this before today. He just fired probably 4 or 5 magazines of 22 long rifle through this thing, but I just put my bolt carrier and charging handle into this gun, so let's see if it shoots. Let's see if it works. Ah!
Oh.
Okay, so I'm gonna get my typical pistol stance here. This thing is great.
Whoa.
Bolt was sticking a little bit. It wouldn't eject the shells, but it is a brand new gun. Hasn't gone through a break-in period. Shot 22 long rifle through it, could have gummed it up. Is that your concealed carry AR there?
It's not the size that matters.
It's how you choose it. Alright, so now Jen is going to try the AR with the 22 conversion. We're going to be shooting some of the crappier ammo. We're going to see how well it does.
Did it fire? That's it?
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
I couldn't even hear it. I just felt like a bolt
Take your ears
action.
out. Take your ears out. Shoot
I
it.
had no idea.
Ears for 22.
Isn't that cool?
We can buy one.
See, anything that's cool that I want, all I have to do is just let her try it.
The first one, I had my ears in, and I just felt like the bolt, and I looked at him and I was like, did it shoot? And he just laughed.
Sure did.
Cool, isn't it? This seemed to function with that crappier ammo in it, but it might just not be dirty enough to not cycle it yet.
I wonder if I still have my...
Reasons that this would be a cool thing to have. First, Tuesday night steel. You can't shoot a 5.56 AR in Tuesday night steel competition. You can shoot 22 long rifle. Second situation or reason that it would be ideal is when you're practicing with an AR, you're spending 40 cents a round. Every time you pull the trigger, 40 cents, 40 cents, 40 cents. That's a lot of cents going out the window. Shooting 22 long rifle, you're spending a lot less money on ammunition, and it doesn't take up as much space. So you can haul more ammo, you can shoot more ammo, practice more. All the same trigger pull, all of that stuff, same sight picture, same everything, feel, and everything like that. You just don't have the recoil. So aside from that and having to clean your gun a little bit more, because 22 is a super dirty round, it's a cool thing to have. Alright, so my normal vlog camera battery decided to poop out, so we're strictly GoPro right now. Just got done out here at the desert. Got some shooting with the CMMG 22 long rifle conversion kit for the AR. That thing is awesome. What are your thoughts?
It was fun. It goes from boom boom to pew pew. I didn't even know it fired around the first shot. Serious.
Yeah.
I had my ear plugs in. I had no idea. Yeah. At first I was like, why is this such a big deal? Why do you already want to buy this thing? I get it.
Chris, it's yours. It's yours. What do you think of it?
I like it a lot.
Now we get to drive back, cruising up some of these rock faces. It's really fun right now. All right, that's it from us for the adventures of the weekend. It was really fun. Have the brothers together again. Reminisce on crazy kid times when we, man, the stuff that we used to do. Let me just say that. Thanks a lot for tagging along, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe link. It's right up above me. Also, don't forget to check out some of our other videos linked up right over here. All right, we'll talk to you later. Take care of yourselves. Until next time, make it a great day. Peace out.
Peace out. Woo.